Yeah. Where are you from? এখন তুমি প্রশ্ন করো, ওই ওই আবার বলো। No problem. You are talking good communication. Though you are first time, but it's look nice. So no problem. Keep it up and just try to whatever I am instruct you. Every time you just speak your language to your family, your friends, and you listen all the article and YouTube video. Keep going to be a better position to English communication, right? Every day while you are talking to English, then your English will be better. No problem, no hesitate. Every time try to talk some English. It is a homework for you. Okay, no problem. So keep it up and best of luck both of you. Okay, thank you.